Oh, fuck, yeah.
Taking my time on my ride.
here we have the WileyX Rogue glasses. So as you can see over here, let's test it on the fitting. Over here you can see we can adjust the nose piece. Here very small nose bridge, or a little wider, just like that. So I have a really small head. This is a little big for my head, but you can measure your head and see exactly on WileyX website the fitting for your head. Let me test with a notch hat. Let me show you. So you can see over here on the notch hat we have a really clear clearance for the WileyX frame. That's really nice. So yeah, let me show you with the little strap that comes with. Just clip them in place. Let me show you again. So just like that. Clip it in place, and you can adjust it over here on the back. So you can see for more tight fitment, so if you move it will not it won't be. So let's now test it with the airframe. This is my favorite airsoft helmet I use on the fields, and let me show you the fitting. And this is a custom mask. Let me demonstrate how it fits. So as you can see, we have no let me show you. No blank spots for a BB to hit our faces, just like that. So this is my loadout and my brain bucket. So with the WileyX Rogue, this is an awesome loadout setup for your head, and a great protection for your eyes. Let me demonstrate also the other lenses and how easy it is to remove. So again, just hold the nose piece, removes like that, again from the needle, and just pull it. This is really tight. Fuck, yeah. Yeah, just like that. Let's put these lenses. Again, just clip first the edges, and lastly the needle. Just push it to the way in, stuff like that. So that's pretty it, super easy. Nose piece over here, slide it in and give it a little push. Let me show you this one also, how it looks like. So yeah, it's pretty it. So you can see you can't get a hit either on the sides of your eyes, either on the bottom. It's fully adjustable on the nose, so you can put it all the way into your face, or if you want to leave a little gap for the lens to keep the airflow better over here. So yeah, that was the Rogue, the WileyX Rogue. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video review. I will test it with some people. So this is the gun we are going to shoot the Rogue WileyX lenses. This is XPD ICS. This is a compact version. We use 25 BBs and green gas over here. So let me measure it first and see the actual FPS on this little gun. These awesome WileyX Rogue glasses for safety, of course. So let me measure. So we got to 31 with the 25 BBs inside here. So all the BBs were over here. You can see the little scratch. Let me take that white bit off. So I'm gonna shoot this side over here to see the actual damage. This will be more clear over here. So as you can see, not even close, nothing, no, nothing. Let me wipe it off, and this is the direct sheet over here, not even a little scratch. That's really nice. So let me put a little slow motion now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I helped you a little bit with this little video review. Thumbs up for WileyX that hooked me up with these amazing lenses, and see you in the next one. BBs.